Okay, so I just want to show you how we do the hinges. This is the top skin prepared, 25 gram glass cloth down first, 100 gram or 93 gram carbon for the leading edge, 100 gram for the trailing edge, reinforcement strips, make sure that everything's nice. Now I'm going to do the peel ply hinge, which is going to be inserted over here. So what I do is I take masking tape and I stick it down on the peel ply at 45 degrees, and then I cut my peel ply on the masking tape. That helps to hold it in place whilst I'm wetting it out and moving it around so it doesn't stretch out too much. Because it's 45 degrees, the same thing applies. You've got two fibers in this direction and this direction which go over the hinge line. So instead of having those red tracer lines parallel or cross, they actually run across the hinge line at 45 degrees. So you've got two fibers crossing as opposed to just one fiber if it wasn't cut at 45 degrees. Right, some resin. This is another 20 gram mix of resin for the inner skin wet out and the hinges. And all we do is we wet them out on that piece of masking tape. Just get them nicely impregnated. This just helps, as I said, when you transfer it into the wing or into the place where it's got to go, that it doesn't stretch and get all out of shape. It also helps when you're cutting it to have a very, very sharp knife and a steel straight edge on a nice cutting surface. Right, so any excess we can sort of mop up. I don't want too much excess, but there we go. Right, so now I'm just going to take the strip with the masking tape, align it where I want it to be, obviously making sure that it lines up with my score mark, and the hinge is going to be from that corner up to the score mark on the. Put this piece of plastic out of the way, wet this out nicely, get it nicely lined up, just dab it down into position, and then just use a corner of a screwdriver, a scissor, to now lift the masking tape away. We don't want to leave the masking tape in here. There we go, a piece of masking tape comes away, and just go dab, dab, dab. Make sure the peel ply stays in its position. It is important to know exactly where you're going to put your control surface. You don't want to be misaligned. Okay, so here we go. That's take the masking tape away from this piece, work back this way. And the same thing applies, just make sure that the peel ply is nicely dabbed down. Okay, so there we got our two hinges. Now captive peel ply hinges inserted. Now obviously I'm going to put the Airix down next, and then I'm also going to then put another layer of glass. So the peel ply is actually encapsulated between two layers of glass theoretically. The 25 on the outside and the 49 on the inside. So I'm going to have my hinge line will be cut or sanded through up to the peel ply, and that will create the actual hinge, which I've shown you before in another video. Right, we'll get on with the laying up of the inner skin now.